Hello guys, today in this video we are going to talk about how to cancel your Ancestral supplement subscription. Okay, so basically there are two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. So you can see, like, you need to visit on the official website first of all, and once you are on the official website you will see this kind of window. On this kind of window there is a option like a profile icon option. Okay, you need to tap on this icon. Once you tap on this button, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account by providing your credentials, you will see this kind of window. In this window there is an option manage your subscription. When you click on this link manage your subscription page, it will redirect you on a new screen. On the screen you can cancel your subscription. Right now I don't have any subscription, so there is nothing to show, so you can cancel your subscription by using this way. If you are not a technical person, or if this method is not working for you, if you have already cancelled your subscription but still they are charging on your account, so how you can cancel it? So basically when we making research on this topic, we found that the customer already cancelled their subscription, but after 2 months or after 3 months they again charge on their account. So in this case what you can do, you can contact your credit card provider. You need to cancel your credit card, you need to get a new credit card. This is the only last option to cancel your subscription. Okay, so you can make a request for your credit card provider and they will cancel your all unwanted subscription and your card. When you get new card, your all the activated subscription will ended and you are free from subscription model. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.